Okay po, so next workout natin, superset siya nung squats kanina. After ng squats, ito yung gagawin natin. Kasama pa rin siya sa exercise 1. Crawl, plank, to toe touch. So, pakita natin. So, tayo tayo. Squat down. Yan pala, squat. Scroll. To plank. Okay, plank. Up. Touch your toes. Down, down, down. Up. That's 1. Again. So, standing position. Touch your toes. Crawl, crawl, crawl. Okay. Plank position tayo. Baba yung hips. Touch. Yung dalawang toes. Right to left. Tapos, tayo tayo.